People told me that you need to assist, you need to become somebody's director's assistant. And I come from a background where I like to be the leader. I don't like to assist. I was like, I know, I've worked in the theatre for 10 years. I know writing, direction, acting, all. Why have to become an assistant? No, because that's how the industry works. Then I realized, okay, then it doesn't work for me. Then I went in 22 days, I went back to Goa. I decided I'm going to register a new company. I registered my own company. It was called Sri Malsa Productions, and we started producing short films because that is what I realized I can do. I can probably produce a short film.
Right.
I did my first short film called Aba Ekthana, which is there on YouTube. It was a Marathi short. It got National Award for Best Direction, Golden Lotus. The next I did was called Kharvas, which was about stillbirth and silent mothers.
Yes.
It got another national award.
Yeah.
2 national award के बाद मेरे को समझ आ गया कि मेरा path correct है.
Confidence built
हो गया. You know, अकड़ थी. 100% I was very aggressive in my mindset. I never used to. Then third film I realized I need to break the comfort zone. So when Cannes में चली गई थी खरवस, तब I met this lady who had a story about her father, who was the last station master of Amritsar Junction Station in British India. So he had a story about the partition, what happened as a station master from station master's perspective. I genuinely felt it was like Schindler's List. So I told her that I'm going to, and she literally told me that I want to share the story. I was that time not so interested, but in Cannes it is so tough to, have a dinner, have a lunch. It's so expensive. She just gave me a kind of a bait. I'm going to fund you for I'm going to offer you dinner in a nice, cozy restaurant. I was like, okay, fine. एक डिनर तो छूट गया अपना. तो मैं चला गया उनके साथ. उन्होंने बता दी कहानी. मैंने बोला बढ़िया है. So I said I'm going to give you a short film because I want to lose the comfort zone of Marathi, establish myself as somebody who can adapt to other cultures.
Other culture as well.
And that's how I did Amritsar. It was a proper Punjabi shot, which is so away. I'm a guy who's coming from Goa. I shot it in Goa again. So all my 3 short films were shot in Goa. And then that film reached Aditya. Aditya liked it. Aditya said, I'm going to present it. Then Aditya called me to Mumbai. And at that time he was working on Ashwathama. So he had called me when Ronnie was doing it, and RSVP office, he called me, and there I went with thinking that, okay, this might be some directorial chance or something, I don't know, because he just called me and I went. And then I realized, acha, he's trying to think about me as maybe,
assistant.
Something like that, probably an associate or a team member in direction unit. And I was like, wait, I need to, so like, you can take time, you can think. I said, I don't need time, I have 2 minutes and that decision is made. I'm not going to climb down the ladder anymore. I have been a director, I will be a director. I've got 2 nationals without asking anybody, without creating any lobby. I just went by myself and got 2 nationals from the president of this country. So I'm very clear, I will direct a film only. I can't assist anybody. I don't want to climb down that ladder. I've seen success that much.